Hi YouTube family, this is your boy Dr. R for Dr. R TV. Just wanted to show you guys filming from the patio. Just wanted to show you, even on a rainy day, Dominican Republic is still top notch. Palm trees right there. Patio furniture. Look how long the patio is. Just beautiful. Even in the midst of the rain. What a beautiful day it is. The great Dominican Republic, my home. Here with my family, my children, my wife, and boy, we'll love it, even when it rains. Subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the section below. Give the video a thumbs up, and we will continue to make great content like this. This is your boy Dr. R. And today by YouTube.